What is up, YouTube? This is Garrick and I'm back with another video. So I wanted to go ahead and get started and make this video keep it short. Today we are still swiping, but I'm adding a little twist into it. So I haven't seen anyone do this, which does not mean that it has not been done, but I am gonna add a little twist into the swipe technique, and I'm gonna kind of coin it as my own thing. So yeah, this is the swipe and slide technique, and I hope you enjoy this video. We are working with a thin pillow. If you look at my previous video, I talk about the ratio, but it is mostly Floetrol paint and water with a tiny bit of Elmer's glue. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this content or you feeling inspired, please smash the like button and subscribe. So what I did here is I swiped, but I intentionally added enough color so that it would spread out farther than my swipe tool. And what I want to do is take that color and let it grab onto the edge of the canvas and then pull it back as I tilt. Because I think it'll be a nice, cool effect. So this is like the inaugural trial. So like y'all are a part of the inauguration. did you guys like this piece? Well, I'm going to end this video, and remember, do everything with love. And before I go, y'all, I need help naming this piece, so give me some name suggestions in the comments section below. All right, until next time, peace.